Are you washing the chicken before cooking? Read this and you will never do it again. A lot of people in the world wash the raw chicken before they cook it. They think that this is a good thing and it will prevent food contamination. But professor at the Drexel University, Jennifer Quinlan, says the opposite. She says that we all should know that if we buy frozen chicken, that chicken already has Salmonella or Campylobacter in it, or even both. These two, Salmonella and Campylobacter, are common bacteria and they are the main reason for food contamination. So, when you wash the raw chicken in the kitchen sink, then you are splashing the bacteria everywhere. Even on you. This is because the hot water alone cannot kill these types of bacteria. Many people usually wash the chicken to clean some dirt on it, clean it from germs, or simply because it looks dirty to them. But, that's completely wrong. Because there is no need to spread the bacteria all around you and there is absolutely no reason to expose yourself to the risk. This is wrong, because you don't need to do it, it's not effective at all, and by cooking the chicken, you will effectively destroy all bacteria inside. So, is there a safe way to clean the dirt off the chicken? Well, yes there is. All you have to do is use a paper towel and wipe the chicken with it. You will clean the dirt and clean some of the bacteria on its surface. According to the latest statistics, almost 280,000 people in the UK are diagnosed with food contamination every year. It's usually caused by washing the chicken and splashing around with the aforementioned bacteria. Some of the chicken farmers will be paying incentives, only if they manage to keep their chicken bacteria free.
The price of progress. If you see these white lines on chicken meat, you should think twice about eating it. No lean protein has a more respected reputation than the chicken breast. Yes, we can all agree on that, right? Boneless, skinless chicken breasts have consistently been at the top of the list of lean proteins to eat for fat loss. In addition to being a fat-burning powerhouse, chicken breasts provide a wealth of health benefits to help you maintain good health. The experts warn, you should be very careful what kind of chicken breast you buy. You should really ask yourself, have you noticed white striping on your chicken breasts? If yes, then please read on. Study confirms. A recent study published in the Italian Journal of Animal Science has revealed that the white striping condition ups fat content by 224% and lowers the amount of protein. Another research published in Poultry Science has came to a similar conclusion. The researchers have noticed fat increased and muscle decreased based on the amount of white striping. According to a 2016 study by University of Arkansas and Texas A&M, the severity of white striping has increased in recent years, identifying it in 96% of the 285 birds they tested. And according to the experts, this condition negatively impacts meat quality by affecting marinade uptake and cook loss. The average American eats over 90 pounds of chicken every year, and that number is only going up. Well, this is the main reason why the market for cheap protein encourages farmers to produce bigger birds in less time. According to the National Chicken Council, the average bird sent to market in 1950 was 3.08 pounds and 70 days old. In 2015 the average weight had doubled, clocking in at 6.24 pounds, but the average age dipped to 47 days old. According to the experts, white striping affects only a small percentage of chicken meat, and it doesn't create any health or food safety concerns for people. Yes, chicken is still a healthy choice, when it's not breaded and deep fried. It's loaded with B vitamins, iron, and vitamin B12.